National Scrapbook Day is right around the corner, so I wanted to show you the amazing bundle. First of all, the box is adorable. These are available for purchase on Monday, and the reason I wanted to show these to you now is because they're not going to last. All right, so first of all, we have the adorable sunflower borders. And you know the theme is scrapbooking with my chicks, so of course we have to have some chickens in there. These are also laser borders. This is what's available only if you purchase the bundle, is the mats. Really cute, fresh air and feathered friends. This is good for a trip to Chick-fil-A. If you have chickens in your backyard, if you're having a chicken barbecue, like it's not good for, just good if you have chickens. So a beautiful day, sunflower state of mind, butterflies, sweet days and sunshine. So these are not all about just chickens. Happiness blooms here. Sunshine, sunshine, sunflowers. Buzzing with joy. So that you can only get this mat pack if you buy the bundle, as well as this embellishment pack. So everything else I'm going to show you, you can purchase separately, but these you can only get in the bundle. And I do think the bundle is going to sell out quickly because I know they have a limited quantity. So all cooped up and loving it. So there are some chickens there, some flowers, a chicken coop, scrapping with my chicks. You can use that whole theme with just scrapbooking, whether you're at retreats or at a National Scrapbook Day. But these are really adorable. Again, the sunflowers are very cute. Just kind of flipping through them. Basket of eggs. The fence. Butterflies, sunflowers, and a sunflower frame. There's also a project guidebook, so it tells you how to cut everything to make these pages. And if you know me, you save these and you do it with anything that you have. Hope I've got more embellishments flying out at me. The paper. This is the designer paper. So this is great to cut up and make borders. And then we have the page recipe. And I'm going to show you, if you are coming to my National Scrapbook Day, some other pages, double page spreads with that. And then here is the cardstock that goes with it. So again, the reason I wanted to come on and show you this is this bundle will sell out fast. It's $53. You can get it on my website or you can message me and I will make sure you get it. We have free shipping up until February 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let me know if you need anything.